Hey guys, today I am going to be telling you the do's and don'ts of 360 and 720 waves. I currently am in my wolfing stage, but so basically, here's the do. So what you do want to do is brush your hair consistently, like every day, like when you wake up and before you go to bed. That'll definitely help you with your waves. And that was a do. A don't is don't ask other people what they put in their hair to try to make it look like yours. If that makes any sense, because you don't want to try to look like somebody else, because people have different types of hair. And you can't look like it might not work. Another do is whenever, always use the right brush for your hair, because it's important. Because if you use like somebody else's brush and you have like a low cut, like you don't want to use a hard brush on a low cut. So no, I don't have any more do's, but don't let people mess with your hair, because especially if you're in school. If you're in school and you walk in the hallway and somebody go, hey man, what's up? And they mess your hair up all the way, then you have to restart. Sometimes another don't is when you get in the pool, keep your do-rag on. Like if you have a separate do-rag, use it for the pool, because the water, if you have like longer hair, and you have waves, it's gonna like mess them up in the water, so your hair's gonna move around too much. And another do would be don't use all these different types of wave grease or just any hair product if you're not brushing your hair. Because if you're not brushing your hair, there's no point. Brushing your hair is what's gonna get you waves, not just putting the products in, putting your do-rag on and going to sleep. No, you gotta brush your hair like every day consistently. And another don't would probably be just don't slack off. Try to keep it consistent. If you need to, put it on your calendar. If you need reminder on your phone, yeah, that may sound retarded, but it works. So you just need to. When you're washing your hair, another do is when you wash your hair, wash in the direction of your waves. So like, put the soap in your hand, right? Pause. No, wrong. Like that, and then put it in the direction of your hair. Like you need to, and then get like a brush that you can use in the water so it don't get messed up, and brush all the soap down and out, so that way you don't go like that, and then you have to start over, like I said earlier in the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you. So that's it for today. I will see you guys probably earlier today with another video, or maybe tomorrow. But I don't know exactly what to post. So I'll be seeing you guys. Also, you don't want to use kits, because kits, trust me on this when I say this, they are a scam. They do not help you at all. Like, they'll mess up your hair. Sometimes they'll mess up your hair. Sometimes they'll make your hair dry out. Sometimes they'll make your hair fall out. Sometimes it just makes it really hard for you to get waves. Like, it works temporarily, but then it dries out your hair every time you use it. And then if you run out of the kit, they want you to buy a new one so you can keep up your waves. It's only temporarily. Like, that stuff doesn't help you at all. So just keep out for that. So yeah. Also, you don't want to get a haircut every week. Getting a haircut every week will make it harder, but it's not impossible. Like, it'll make it really, really hard to keep up your weight. Because if you're getting a haircut every week just because your hairline gets a little messed up, that's no problem. Don't get like a full-on haircut, because it's gonna be hard to maintain your waves, especially with a really low cut. So that's do's and don'ts. And I know I did the outro earlier on, because I forgot like 2 things, and it's really important, so I had to put in the video. But also, if you guys want to see my waves, I will take this off in just a second here. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but like I just woke up like just a few minutes ago. I'm probably gonna post this later on, but yeah, you just follow the steps that I'm teaching you, and your hair is gonna look like mine, except for the hairline. I'm getting a haircut today. Last month I got a haircut, and I wasn't on my job, so I had to get on it real quick. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you guys later today, because I figured out that I am posting. So hope you enjoy. Bye, guys.